red pony, and we're both friends. And I have a pink saddle. I have a green saddle. We're both so nice. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Oh, what are these? They look like nests. But where are the birds? There's no bird around here. Cheep, 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 cheep. Did you hear that? Yes, it sounds like birds. Let's find them. Let's go. Cheep, 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 cheep. Oh, wow, look at all the birds, but they're all mixed up. They're mummies and the babies. Oh, there's so many colors. Little babies, they can't find their moms. Let's find their moms first, and then we can sort them by color. Cheep, 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 cheep. Yes, little birdies, we'll do that. Okay, I found a red mommy here. Mommy bird. The red mommy bird goes into the red nest. Next, I found a blue mommy bird. Blue mommy bird goes into the blue nest. And a green mommy bird goes into the green nest right here behind me. Mommy bird. Okay, and a yellow mommy bird goes into the yellow nest. And then an orange mommy bird goes into the orange one. Are you comfortable, mommy bird? Yes. Thank you. Okay. Any more mommy birds? Oh yes, the purple one. There you go. Purple mommy bird. Look at all these mommy birds in the nest, but they have no little babies. We have to sort them quickly because they're missing them. Okay, let's do it. Yellow, yellow baby, blue baby. Blue baby goes over there. Another blue baby goes over there, and another, and another. Four babies. Now, green babies. Cheep, 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 cheep. Everybody happy? Yes, everybody happy. Thank you, little ponies. You're very welcome. Let's see. Every little bird, mommy, has 1, 2, 3, 4 babies. Let's see how many color birds we have. I'll start. Back here we have blue. And then in the middle we have red. Here's green and yellow. Now you tell me what the other 2 colors are on your side. Yes, they are orange and purple. Yay, happy little baby birds. Chip, 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 chip. Baby birds, they want to play with us. How? They want to ride on our heads. Mommy birds, would you let one baby bird on our heads? Yes, yes. Yip, yip, yip. Okay. Who wants to come on my head? One yellow baby bird on your head and one purple baby bird on your head. There we go. We are happy on your heads. Whee! Choop, 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 choop. Little baby birds, now go back to your nests. Did you guys have fun? Yes, we did. We're happy in our nests. In our colorful nests. Oh, mommy birds want to play? Let's see. Mommy birds, come on my fingers. And you, mommy bird. And another mommy bird. And another one. And another one. 5 mommy birds. Hey, I'm left. I only have 5 fingers. I'm sorry, but you can come on this one. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mommy birds. Ba 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 ba. Cheep, 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 cheep. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye, guys.
For more videos, go to our channel and subscribe.